A rose between two hearts by moonlight given. What may so bright and augury forebode? Type of the opening spring in starlit heaven, on grief's gray twilight all in vain bestowed. Aye, all in vain, alas, the smiling spring, and the calm luster of the starry skies. Nor joy, nor hope, nor peace to him can bring. They're but as lovely scenes to sightless eyes. The givers and the gift can but recall the fading forms of long departed years. Visions of bliss, all vanished, lost, all. And if their memory half effaced by tears, aye, that same flower, its hue, its scent have brought back on my soul 1,000 nameless things. A long, long train of melancholy thought, and maddening passions fierce and fiery stings. Such was the gift, down busy devil down. Consume this soul in secret if you must. But though its pangs no revelry can drown, feast like the worm that revels on the dust. In darkness and in silence feast no more. Such thoughts should have no tongue within their tomb. Let them bleed on, but without running over. No eye should mock and shudder at their gloom. So to our theme again, that it may fling, oblivion or spirit rung and riven. Farewell, sweet emblem of the blooming spring. Farewell, calm type of the blue starry heaven. On roses, woman's words, and moonlighted nights, unnumbered, soft, sad, tender memories dwell. Heart-treasured thoughts, unspeakable delights, and all I may not utter, fare you well.